Thank you for calling Cafe Amante. This is lovely. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, who I'm speaking to.
Miss Rizal Ino.
May I spell out your name? Kilo Romeo, India, Zulu, Echo, Lima, Lima, Echo, Echo, Yankee, Oscar, Yankee, Oscar. Did I get your name correct, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know your contact detail?
0906 805.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Ioyo, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For 2.
What time do you want your reservation?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 27, 2024, for 2 persons in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Crisel Ayoyo, with a contact number of 0906-358805. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Is there anything would you like to request, ma'am?
None.
Miss Ayoyo, thank you for patronizing Cafe Amante Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thank you.